our outlooks that we all have now, they're very, very intelligent, and they start to recognize and monitor how you deal and how you respond to emails. So, for example, when the GDPR came out and everybody was getting emails on a regular basis about GDPR, it was GDPR this, consent that, please subscribe to our emails, consent, GDPR, GDPR. Your outlooks would have noticed that over a period of time, you're not even reading these emails, you're just deleting them straight away unread. So it starts to learn, and it starts to say, well, okay, if you're going to keep deleting every email that you get that has the subject line GDPR, I'm gonna put it in the spam folder because you never read them. And so we as individuals, we teach our inbox on how to respond to our emails. That's why it makes it difficult as email communicators to receive multiple proofs. So if we send ourselves a copy of our email just to check it over, and then we change a word, and then we send it to ourselves again, and then we send it to ourselves again, and then we send it to ourselves again, it ends up in the spam folder. And we go, what's happening? Why is my email going in the spam folder? It's because your inbox has learned what you do with these emails. You're giving them less than a second's look, and you're deleting them straight away. So when it comes to jumping on language, don't overdo things that are seasonal, like Christmas or Valentine's Day and things like that. Because if you continually delete emails with the subject line of Christmas, you are going to force that email into your spam folder because your inbox thinks it's doing you a favor. So just be a little bit careful with that.